I'm always so enthusiastic about real estate, and I run into people oftentimes, and they'll say something like, I only pay $2,000 a month in rent. And then I try to explain to them, over 3 years, that's gonna be $50,000 that you could have invested into real estate. Let me ask you a question. Do you have a W-2? Do you get a normal paycheck? Because if you do, that's gravy. That means you're gonna qualify. So make sure you get your credit up and pay your bills on time. So important. And before you know it, you're gonna be a homeowner. Whether it's a condo, a single family, a 2 to 4 flat, a mixed use building. There's FHA loans. There's all kinds of ways to skin the cat. Owners can pay some of your closing costs. You can get gift letters from parents. You just want to make sure that your funds are seasoned, but homeownership is not as far away as you think, and we're here to help you on that exciting journey.
Look at you.